You may know that I'm into restoring vintage sewing machines. These are often rusty, and the rust can be a pain to remove. In the States, a popular method for removing rust is by using this product, Evapo-Rust. As usual, this product isn't readily available here, and I had to order this online. And as usual, it was far more expensive here than in the States, with this costing £15 for 1 litre. Evapo-Rust claims to be super safe, non-toxic, biodegradable and water-soluble. It also claims to be reusable, although its strength does diminish with each use. So I've got myself a resealable plastic container, and I'm going to fill it with a selection of rusted sewing machine parts. I was particularly interested to see how it performed on this lock, as there's no way I could get inside it to manually remove any rust. Some old screws, and old bobbins, as well as several rusty pairs of scissors. Then it was simply a matter of pouring over the Evapo-Rust and setting it aside. It's recommended that you check the items every hour or so. However, I left them for about 12 hours. The packaging states maximum effectiveness if left in the fluid for 24 hours, so leaving them overnight won't hurt. So 12 hours or so later, I started to remove the items and rinse them in soapy water. You can clearly see the liquid is filthy. The rust was removed from all the items, although there were some left with black marks. This is common with rust removal, as it's where the original finish was damaged. The lock and hinges came out particularly well. While the rust was removed from the bobbins, they were badly pitted and damaged, so are really not usable anymore. I've heard it mentioned that this product also helps prevent rust from returning. This is not true. If the items are not properly dried after rinsing, rust will quickly return, so I suggest using something on them to prevent further oxidisation. On these pieces I used a little sewing machine oil, which did the trick. Overall, I'm very impressed with the results. There was no rust left on any of the items, and as Evapo-Rust is not corrosive, there was no damage to the metal. It is, however, quite expensive here in the UK, making it not cost-effective to use on such items as large car parts. I hope you found this video to be useful. If you have, please don't forget to hit the like button. Please subscribe to keep up with all my latest videos. Thanks for watching.